from Tajman and Medics. I've got a Mercedes right here doing a drive belt on this. I'm just going to show you the routine of it. I've already done tensioner, so I'm going to show you a couple of things on this one. If you just bear with me one second. Right, here we go. I had to remove the cover. I've removed the pipe as well. So to remove the pipe, there's a clip here and a clip here as well. And on the inside there, you just take the whole thing out. Now that's basically the engine bay, the front engine bay of the car, where all the tensioners and the pulleys are. You've got the alternator right at the bottom, then you've got the top one there, then you've got water pump, then you've got crank, then you've got another pulley right there, then you've got the tensioner, then you've got the power steering, and then you've got the aircon. Now I've replaced the tensioner already because the belt come off. Now this is the tensioner, so that's what I've removed, and what I've done is I've put a little pin in there for me to just hold it back so I can take the belt out really easily. And the new one is already in there as well, as you can see right there, and you can see the pin as well. So the pin's on there, so when I put the new belt in, it'll be really good and easy for me. Now if you did need a belt, I've got the belt right here, the old one, and the part number for the belt for this particular model, Mercedes C-Class this is, on a 2008-2009 plate. So that's the belt part number right there. It's a 6PK2263. And I've already got the belt right there, and I've replaced the tensioner. I'm going to show you the routine on the computer as well, so you'll know exactly how to put it on. Right, here we go. That's the routine right there. Like I said to you, alternator guider, water pump guider, tensioner, crankshaft, aircon and power steering. So just remember, that's the way the belt should go on. If you put it any other way, it won't work. So the tensioner is right here, so the belt goes over the tensioner, onto the crank, onto the AC, onto the power steering, guider on top, guider, and then down the bottom, and then on top of the water pump. We're just going to fit it. Right, now that I've got the new belt, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on. So just straighten the belt up first. So I'll get it down onto the the alternator. And once I get it onto the alternator, then I'll get onto the guider pulley. Then I'll get it over to another guider pulley. Then over to power steering. Once I get it onto power steering, I then get it onto the aircon. Once I get it onto the aircon, onto the tensioner, water pump, then crankshaft, and that should really do the trick. So why does this belt look really big? Maybe I got it wrong. Here we go. Go back out, go back out, go back out, onto the bottom bit, then onto the crank. I then get onto the tensioner, I then get onto the water pump, and then the last one is the alternator. Right, so just gonna make sure all of them are lined up, lined up, lined up, lined up, lined up. Now as you can see right there, so this is how it needs to go on. So just remember all of this. I mean, you've got a sort of a small clip on how to put it on as well, like you know, the guide for it. So what I now need to do is I get the tensioner. Now what I've got is I've got a 17mm spanner. It's got a slight bend to it, and it's multi-splined as well. So I'll put it onto the tensioner, and then I push the tensioner, up or down. Here we go. And then I pull the pin out. That's the pin I pulled out, and then I let go of the tensioner. As you can see right there now, that's perfectly brilliant. That's all you have to do on this particular model. It is a Mercedes C-Class on a 2008 plate. And if there is anything else you need to know, just leave us a comment below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.